In this video, we'll walk you through creative split testing for job posts, also known as A/B testing. This powerful feature is a premium tool available for ZEIL Plus campaigns only. So, what is split testing? Imagine you have two brilliant ideas for a job campaign but can't decide which one will be more appealing to candidates. Why not use both and let your audience decide? This is what split testing allows you to do. After choosing your ZEIL Plus job imagery, click Next. Then we'll ask if you'd like to run a split test. On ZEIL, split testing applies to your front cover image only, as this gains the highest reach. To make an A/B test more scientific, we recommend only changing one common variable across your two creatives, like an image or headline. That's it. Once your job post is live, your test will be set up and will start delivering Creative A to one audience bucket and Creative B to another mutually exclusive audience bucket. To check out which is performing better, navigate to your active job from the Jobs tab, then tab across to Analytics. Over time, you can monitor which version of the card is getting more attention. More clicks, more applications. This rich data is at your fingertips anywhere, anytime. Once we have enough data on your test, we'll show you an Optimize button if you scroll down to the bottom of your job analytics. In one click, you can choose to keep the top performing creative and remove the less effective one, ensuring you attract the right candidates and remove the guesswork. By leveraging these insights, you can continuously refine and optimize your job posts. So, next time you're unsure about a job post design or content, remember the power of split testing on ZEIL Plus. Dive in, test, learn, and optimize.